Guys, we have just arrived at our first accommodation spot here in Byron. We haven't even fully unpacked the car yet, but I thought before we trash the place, we'll give you a little walk through. So as you come in, the bathroom is right here. Quite spacious. Really nice. With the shower. A little kitchenette. We've got complete with a fridge, microwave. We've got toaster and kettle in there. There's even cutlery and things like that in the drawer, so we could cook something if we wanted to, or eat something here. So this is where we will be resting for the rest of the night. And our big TV, our aircon. This is our little private little space out here. And apparently this place has a pool, so we'll be needing to check that out. So this is the pool area. There's a spa here as well. How are you feeling after the drive, Matthew?
A little tired, but pretty good.
Yeah, it's long, but we made it. Good morning, guys. Today we are off to the Byron Bay Lighthouse. It's a couple of K away, so we're driving there and then we're going to walk and see what's there. So it's a beautiful day. We are ready to explore, and then later today we're going to hit the beach. So let's go. So guys, I have no idea if you can hear me because it is a bit windy. We're at quite a high altitude, but we are heading now to the most easterly point on the Australian mainland, and there's a lookout there. So we're going to head there. Wandering the shops this morning. We checked out of the hotel, and now we are at a pub for lunch. We'll get Matthew's initial reaction. Good. Hi guys, so we have just arrived at our second accommodation, which is Elements of Byron. This is the one that we were really looking forward to, and we have finally made it. We managed to check in a little bit early. Our room was ready for us and we were ready to get into it, so we thought we'd come down, and they have been ready for us. So we have just gone for a walkthrough of our villa, and you guys are not ready for this, let me tell you. Let's do the walkthrough. I've got the key card here. Here we go. So it's all got fly screens, which is really nice. All right, here we go. So this is our fully equipped kitchen, and this is our living area. Matthew's getting settled in. We've got free access in-house movies. This is our iPad, which apparently is how you order room service and all that sort of thing. So we'll be testing that out later. This is our outdoor living area. Look at this. It's beautiful out here. And this is all your fly screens to protect you from all the bugs, because as you can see out there, it's just wilderness. So we have a bedroom there and a bedroom there, and the main question is, which one is the master? So we go through here. Massive bed, TV, aircon, stunning. This is the bathroom. We've got our robes in there, towels, toilet, vanity. This is gorgeous, this white marble. What's in here? Oh, tissues and a shower. Okay, through to the next one. And this is your other bedroom. Which again, we've got the TV. And this is your bathroom here. So we've got the whole wardrobe. Look at this. This is just something else. It really is. So I think this might be our master. So that is our villa tour. Hey guys, so our first thing on the agenda for here at Elements is the adults only pool.
It gives you a lot of scope without major structure.
Good morning guys. We have just woken up for our first full day here at Elements and we're just going to take a second. That's serenity. We've just ordered our golf buggy to come and pick us up and take us to the beach. So we're going to go for a wander and explore more of the resort.
Let's go.
To rain, so we are heading back to the villa. Hopefully we don't get lost. We're currently here. Our villa is here. It's really starting to come down now and we're only up to cabin 65. We're halfway there, not even. What's hilarious about this is there are umbrellas in the room for times like these, but we didn't bring one. It's actually kind of nice and refreshing. I don't think Matthew's having as good of a time as me. We're almost there. We're heading down our path now. It's one of those moments where there's no hope of staying dry, so you just have to laugh about it. It's really coming down. Really coming down. On the plus side, we have a dryer. So we decided that we'd use it and dry our clothes. Amazing. So this is the main pool area. It is a new day. It is the day that we go home. So we have just packed up the villa and everything is in the car. We are ready to check out and go home. All right, let's go home. From Sydney to Byron Bay is kind of the similar thing from Auckland to Wellington. So from Sydney to Byron it's 744k, from Auckland to Wellington it's 641. So it's similar sort of journey. So that's an interesting fun fact. And we are driving for the rest of the day. Arrival time is approximately 8 o'clock tonight.